Cadillac Celestiq seen on the road testing once more. Cadillac aims to debut the new Cadillac Celestiq, an ultra-luxury halo sedan loaded to the gills with comfort amenities and cutting-edge tech delights in the all-electric arena. The Cadillac Celestiq show car had its formal web debut last month, with GM giving a few digital drawings of the battery-electric luxury concept to the media. Now, for the first time, GM has shown the Cadillac Celestiq show automotive in person, bringing the slim, high-priced EV to the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance in California this past weekend, where it was in the midst of innumerable affluent car collectors, enthusiasts, and influencers. Please let me introduce and tell you what we do here on this channel. This is Lyric Media, where information is key and accuracy is the drive to keep you abreast of the latest information and trending news regarding the EV Lyric Cadillac and other future EVs from the Cadillac company. So, if you're an enthusiast or owner of these electric vehicles, there is a spot for you here on this channel. We function as a family. We listen to your feedback in the comment section and make all of the required videos with the knowledge you need to stay current in the EV industry. If you're new here, please subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. Thank you. Back to our video. This past weekend, Cadillac Advanced Design Chief Magali DeBellis posted photographs of the Cadillac Celestiq show car at Pebble Beach on her Instagram feed. The car is seen with a slew of brilliant red LED lights that appear to have acted as the backdrop for the nameplate's formal international launch event, which took place on Saturday evening. The Celestiq shown here is the same as the one shown in the 3D drawings revealed last month, with a glossy silver exterior with gloss black and chrome elements, as well as red leather inside the upholstery. The Cadillac Celestiq will cost roughly $300,000 and will be hand-built in extremely limited numbers at the GM Warren Tech Center in Michigan. A car like this would be quite at home at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, which hosts several high-end automobile premieres each year. This year's version of the annual exhibition featured the new Bentley Batter Luxury Grand Tourer, as well as the Bugatti Mistral and Koenigsegg CC 850 hypercars, so it's safe to say the Celestiq is in excellent company. The Celestiq is the actual flagship Cadillac enthusiasts have been waiting for decades, and the photographs show a car that will seem huge and bold as it cruises the street. Cadillac hopes to have it ready for sale in 2024 as a 2025 model. Although we know what the Celestiq would look like from the idea, the prototype has a few variations. The most noticeable difference is the use of standard side mirrors rather than the concept's thinner rear-facing cameras. Although the technology is being examined for use in the United States, it is not currently legal, thus the Celestiq will feature traditional mirrors at launch. The charging port is similarly located on the driver's side front fender. This was not included in the idea, but the actual version looks to have a mechanical sliding design similar to the Cadillac Lyric SUV. The wheels also use a 6-lug bolt pattern, which is common on full-size pickup trucks. The wheels have the same 23-inch diameter as the idea and are covered in Michelin Pilot Sport tires. The newly visible sensors up front, at least one of which will be a LiDAR sensor, are the final features seen for the first time. Don't be concerned. These should be kept secret during manufacture. General Motors' parent company, Cadillac, has joined with Silicon Valley's Septon to deliver LiDAR sensors. The Celestiq's many sensors are critical for GM's planned Ultra Cruise automated driver assist technology, which will be available on the Cadillac flagship. According to GM, Ultra Cruise will be able to manage 95% of US roadways, which means that many journeys would not involve any real driving by a person. Ultra Cruise, like the present Super Cruise system, will need the driver to watch things at all times and take action when necessary. Otherwise, it will be turned off. That implies it will remain at level 2 on the SETI self-driving capabilities scale. To get beyond level 2, self-driving systems must operate in an eyes-off mode. The Celestiq is based on GM's Ultium EV platform and battery system, which may imply up to 1,000 horsepower and more than 400 miles of range. However, unlike other Ultium-based cars, the Celestiq will not be a regular production model. It will be mostly handcrafted, similar to a coach-built automobile. As a result, manufacturing will be limited to 1.2 automobiles per day, with an annual volume of considerably under 500 units. Cadillac is investing $81 million at GM's vast global technical center in Warren, Michigan, to manufacture. The majority of the funding will be used to purchase low-volume production equipment, such as 3D printers. GM posted photographs of a Cadillac Celestiq prototype in starry camo testing on the roads outside the automaker's technological facility in Warren, Michigan, where the production car will be hand-built in the future, only last week. The Cadillac Celestiq prototype seen below, on the other hand, is camouflaged in black and white and has been observed on public roads in Metro Detroit. The smooth front fascia is embellished with production spec lighting features, such as vertically oriented lighting signature lines on the sides. There's also a large square cutout in the center of the fascia camo that allows you to see the different sensors in the sedan's nose. From the side, we can see that this Cadillac Celestiq prototype is sporting some quite massive wheel covers to conceal the alloys below. The wheels are wrapped in thin profile rubber that beautifully fills the wheel arches. The profile view also reveals the sedan's low front overhang and extended rear overhang, which gives the EV an almost hatchback-like shape. The vehicle's rear ends the ultra-wide C-pillar with a squared-off back fascia. This specific prototype also has back placeholder lighting pieces. Although this Cadillac Celestiq prototype is camouflaged in black and white, the main form and lines are clear, giving us a solid indication of what the Halo Caddy will look like when it goes into production. We have got to the end of today's video. Share with us your takes in the comments area. Stay tuned to Lyric Media for all the newest Cadillac news. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to let the YouTube universe know that this video is helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.